If you look here in the operation tree, notice how there are a couple of similar operations that use the same tool size. In situations like this, you can put these two similar operations together into a single operation by combining them. To do this, I will right-click on the part setup from the operation tree and select Combine Operations. Here, I can select the operations that use the same tool diameter I'd like to combine. I'll select similar rough mill and similar contour mill operations. When I press OK, you'll see the operation tree looks a bit shorter, but if I expand some of the operations, you can see that some have been grouped together. Any changes I make to the parent operation will affect both of the features that have been combined here. In addition to combining operations, CAMWorks also gives you the ability to link similar operations that may not have the same tool diameter. The difference between combining and linking is that linking does not affect the machining order of the operations you are linking. The advantage to doing this is that if you want to make a change to several operations, but do not want to change their machining order, you can create the link, make the change once, and the change will take place on all of the linked operations. To actually apply a link to these operations, I'll right-click on the first rough mill operation and select Link Operation. Since there's only one other rough mill operation in the tree, it's the only one that is available to link to. I'll use the arrow to select it and press Link to finish. Now, when you look in the Operation Manager tree, you see an icon next to the operations indicating that they are now linked, but the machining order was not adjusted in the tree. I'll edit the definition of one of the linked operations and change the tool pattern to Pocket In. Now, when I look at the tool paths, you see that the change affected both of the combined pockets and the linked slot. The linking and combining operations I just showed you can save you a lot of time on parts with similar features. As you just saw, you can make the changes just once and it affects all of the child operations except for any lead-in tab parameters you may have set for specific operations. One thing to be careful of is that you cannot uncombine operations once they are combined, whereas operations can be linked and unlinked at any time.